Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV. Thank you for checking in. Today we are showing you the rear wheel bearing upgrade kit from All Balls for KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas motorcycles. So with this kit, well, let me start by saying if you haven't checked your wheel bearings to see if they need to be replaced in quite some time, it's probably something you need to do. It's one of those just often overlooked maintenance jobs, and for a lot of reasons, it's because people don't sometimes know that their bearings are worn out. A lot of people don't even know how to check if their rear wheel bearings are worn out. And one of the best ways to do it is simple. Put your bike on a stand, grab the top of your wheel, the bottom, and just kind of rock it back and forth. If you can feel any slop, if you feel any play, then that is an indicator that you need to get your bearings replaced. And if you don't do it, it can cause more damage to the motorcycle. So be sure to check that out. The good news is we have a great how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to replace your wheel bearings. So as long as you have all the tools, it's a job that really anyone can do from their own house. It's going to save you a lot of money. But when it comes time to replace your bearings, here's why it's a good idea to invest in this upgrade kit. So it's really, the big upgrade is with the bearings. So KTM's and those Husqvarna and GasGas bikes, they've been using a 6005 bearing since 1994. So that bearing's been around a really long time. And it's not to say it's a bad bearing, but like anything else on your motorcycle, they're just gonna wear out over time. The upgrade with this is that this is a 6204 2RS bearing. And this bearing has about a 23% more load capacity. So you're gonna get better durability with this bearing installed on your motorcycle. So if you don't wanna have to change your bearings as often, if you wanna get the best durability possible when you go to replace those, that's what this upgrade kit is for. Now, a couple other things that will come included with this kit. You're gonna have your new seals, you're gonna have new wheel spacers, and you're gonna have your sleeve. Now, the spacers is one thing that I do wanna talk about. This bearing is actually just a little bit wider than the 6005 bearing that comes stock. And for that reason, you need spacers that are a different size. So you will need to run these spacers when you get this upgrade kit. So just something to keep in mind. But like I said, wheel bearings, it's often overlooked, but they need to be replaced. They're going to wear out at some point. So do that little check that I told you about. Watch our how-to video to get those installed and pick up your upgrade kit from All Balls. If you have questions or comments, we want to get those answered for you, so make sure to leave those in the comment section below. To grab your kit, simple, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're bike specific, so when you're on the product page, just make sure you enter the year, make, and model to ensure that it is going to fit your bike. And as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and always stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.